Yo, Tamabibi is making waves, dog. Yo, this guy, he's at the sports scene. He's like at the sports scene studio, dog, recording a song, dog, like official, like real professional studio, like making a song, and the song is fire too, dog. Yo, this guy, dog. He's really like people are taking him serious right now. They are not joking about him. Yeah, boy, and Uqaha is also he also has a song with Uqaha that's coming up. Uqaha wanted a song with Utamabibi, and he said he sent Utamabibi a beat, and Utamabibi wayibuyise lantuka beat neverse or something. So Utamabibi, you guys should take him serious, dog. That song is making a sports scene is fire, dog. Can't wait for Uqaha to release the song ayenza noTamabibi, dog. Like listen to the song ayenzayo uTamabibi phaa Sports in Studios and tell me what you think about it in the comment section, dog. Like, comment, subscribe. Tamabibi is fire, dog. Ndaba zam zimbies.
If you like it, ciao ciao. If you don't, bhale yakho emnandi okanye umamela uTamabibisi. Peace.
Let's go. Let's go, let's go. Let's go, let's go. Let's go. Life's cold, bagging. Move my head, throwing. The flow, my hand flagging. The pedal, do my head. I like it cold, rising. I like it cold, I like it, go my, I like it, go my.